How you doing, everybody? Matt here with American Campfire Creations, and tonight I just wanted to do a short little video highlighting where we're actually staying at right now. We're out here in Robert Lee, Texas, boondocking right now, which free camping, dry camping. It's actually a state park that we're at, and it sits on E.V. Spencer Lake, which is right here behind me. Beautiful spot. As you can see here, as I pan around, there's a lot of open space. The park actually comes off of a paved road down here where they have the loading ramp for the boats to actually get into the lake. Me and my wife found a perfect opening right here that's all the way down at the end of this dirt path here, and we just found our nice little spot right here. There's some fire pits right over here by the water, which is where I've been doing my cooking. And yeah, this is a beautiful park. Definitely recommend checking this out. And I'm going to put the information below in the description of where this park actually is and how to get here. And yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this place. It's beautiful. As you can see, this amazing sunset here behind me. We've had some really, really nice ones here. The water is beautiful. It's actually shallow enough to just walk out into a little bit and enjoy the actual water itself. Right now, you know, it's November, so the water's kind of chilly, but the temperatures here actually haven't been too bad. It's been about in the 70s, and then it gets down into the 50s in the late evening, and of course it's a little chillier at night. But yeah, definitely recommend checking out this area if you're looking for any free RV camping or even tent camping for that matter, because they have over in this area over here that goes out sort of where you see the edge of the lake over there. They have primitive camping over there for tents and things like that. So yeah, but if we had some kayaks or something, we'd definitely be out on this lake because it is absolutely beautiful. We put our chairs right here, right up against the shore, and put our feet down in the water. It's absolutely amazing. And as you can see here, I got my 8,000-pound Ram here, Ram 2500 here, sitting on the sand, and there's absolutely no sinking or anything like this. The ground here is nice and firm. No problems with the trailer either. So yeah, like I said, I'll put the information for this spot in the description, and I'll leave you at that. So I will see all of you on our next adventure or around the next campfire, and have a good night, everybody. Be easy.